Hi everyone, my name is piterpakulski. Today we will continue building financial model of a mobile application from scratch. At the previous video we were creating the input different types of users. We started specifying the portraits of users of our mobile application. So we were specifying how often these or that type of user pays us the premium membership, what is the life cycle of this or that type of user, what is the percentage of allocation of different types of user from 100% of our users. And today it's time for us to talk about the revenue. So membership payment, dollar per interval, cause different types of users will pay us. Some of them will pay us monthly. Some of them will pay us once in 2 months, once in 3 months, in quarter, in a half a year. Some of them will pay year membership once a year. So this is why the amount of payment will be different. So for example, this will be the first payment, the second will be once in 2 months, then once in 3 months, then once in 6 months, then once a year payment. This is our mobile application for free, so we don't get any revenue from this portrait of user. So these are the inputs. So we color these cells with blue, because blue is the unique color for all our inputs through the whole financial model. And I'm copying this data here and here, because we have different life cycle types. So this group of users, their life cycle is 12 months. This group of users, their life cycle is 24 months, and then they will disappear. And finally this group of users, their life cycle is 36 months, and they will disappear and stop giving us the revenue. So that's why we're creating all these portraits. So what is next? The next step, just a moment. So the next step, for the future scenario analysis, we would better add coefficient for payments for membership payments. So the basic value of this coefficient will be 100%. So this is also the input, so I'm coloring it with blue. Then I will be also using local coefficient for membership payments for this or that type of user specifically. This is also the input, so I'm coloring it with blue. So I'm creating a system of coefficient that will help me to play with scenario analysis when the financial model will be done. I will see the cash flow statement, I will see the simple discounted payback period, and I will want to play with this or that inputs, and I can use only these coefficients without playing with data manually, typing and retyping the data. So this is very valuable when you need to quickly create some scenarios. So, and then I want to see the final membership payment. So this will consist of this value. So here we are switching on and off different types of users from calculations. So this is the first component of this formula. Then I'm adding the value itself of membership payment. Then I'm adding local coefficient if I want to increase or decrease this specific membership payment for this specific type of user. And then I'm adding global coefficient if I want to play with all membership payments instead of playing with specific membership payment for this or that type of user. So I'm freezing this cell, pressing enter. So for example, first of all, I can, for example, completely switch off some portraits from calculations. I'm doing switching off operation. I can see here zeros, and I'm switching off all inflows and outflows of these users from calculations. For example, I don't want to completely switch off these guys. I just wanna take, for example, 50% of these membership payments. I can see how the data is changing here. Or, for example, I just want to take 70% or take 10% of the whole membership payments. Here they are. So I can quickly play with data, and then all these numbers will start flying to calculations. Finally they will go to cash flow statement. You will be able to quickly see simple discounted payback period. So this is the base for the future scenario analysis. This will give you a huge amount of new information about your business idea. So creating a system of coefficients will allow you get acquainted closer with your business idea. You will feel the strengths, your weak points of your business idea. So that's why we're creating all these coefficients. We are dividing project by different types of users. Maybe some users are too optimistic, and if you switch them off, you will be able to see what will happen with the profits of your business idea. So this is very interesting process. So I hope you enjoyed it. You can give us a like, subscribe, share this video with your friends. You can also order financial models from scratch for your unique business ideas. We can help you with that. So see you guys in next videos. Thank you and bye.